How to add friends in Roblox account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can add friends in Roblox account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Roblox application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, at the top just below your profile name, there's an option to add friends. If you cannot find that option, you could also tap in the search icon at the top right corner and search for the username. Here I will just tap on add friends from here. Now here you have options to search for people. Tap in the search bar, then type the username of the person that you want to add. For example, I have this name right here. Now you have to search for it. After that, tap on their profile from the results here. Once you see this kind of interface, tap on add friend button. Now you have to wait for them to accept your request. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.